D7 guitar chord. Claw your hand firmly, approach the guitar neck from behind like this, with your thumb just over the 6th string 2nd fret, ideally lightly touching the 6th string to mute it, and maintaining your hand position in triangle. Can you use your fingertips? First fingertip goes onto the 2nd string 1st fret, 2nd fingertip goes onto the 3rd string 2nd fret, and your 3rd fingertip goes onto the 1st string 2nd fret. The 6th is muted. If your hand is too small, your thumb is okay there, but you're confined to strumming 4 or at the most 5 strings here. But this way you can hit all 6 and your audience will just hear 5 strings. It's a very clear sound.